Okay, as of right now, we are on countdown for John's birthday slash anniversary celebration, and we have Aaliyah doing her job. Aaliyah, what is it that you're doing for the party?
I have to make a poster.
Yes.
And it's like a work in
Well,
progress.
let's see what it looks like so far.
Yeah.
And Aaliyah, have you done much artwork? Wow, you should if you haven't, ma'am. This is going to be really beautiful. Really beautiful. So, okay, we'll get back with you later and see what she comes up with as far as the final. Thanks, Leah. We'll be back. And here he has, we just call her Monique. And she's sitting out here waiting. She wants to wish him a happy anniversary. Okay, so again, it's like countdown for everyone to get their shit done, because I give everybody jobs. I do that. I like to tell people what to do. There's Pam. She's doing what I tell her to do. Work that trash, woman.
Shut up.
Okay, and then here we go. There's the big thing. It's gonna be a big one for him. He's gonna say, "Oh, my wife is a wonderful wife. I love her very much. Look at the gift she has given me." So anyway, we'll get back with you in a minute. Oh wait, let me show you over here. Over here we have cheesecake and a cake as well. And then we're going to have some enchiladas. And hopefully everything will go quite well, and hopefully that I will find out before he gets home. Get back with you in a minute. Goodbye.